Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how to make flower choker. These are materials and measurements which I'll be using to create my flower choker. I'm setting my sewing machine to stitch number 5 and I'm using this satin fabric which is 1 meter by 8 centimeters, and I'm folding this satin fabric in half so the shiny bit is outside, and I'm sewing 5mm stitch on the edge, so I'm attaching both edges together like that. This is how it looks. Next I'll burn edges on this satin fabric, so I'm burning edges there so they don't fray all along. And I'm burning edges on each corner carefully so I don't burn the cotton off. Next I'm burning edges on both ends of this satin ribbon. And next I will be gathering this satin fabric like that. So I'm gathering this satin fabric on both ends till I reach approximately 40 centimeters, and I'm making a knot on each end so it looks like that. I'm evening out the gathering so it's nice and even. Next I will sew my flower, so I'm folding this corner inside like that, sewing that corner to the other edge, and then I'm just twisting this gathering around like that and sewing those edges together, and then again I'm twisting this satin fabric around so all edges get sewed like that. I'm wrapping this satin gathered edge all around till I form the flower, and I'm sewing each edge to the flower till the flower is finished. As you can see here, I'm securing all of the edges in the middle there, and I'm sewing them neatly so it's all attached to the flower. And end of this gathered ribbon, satin ribbon, I'm kind of folding it inside like that, and I'm securing that end at the back neatly like that. So here's my finished flower. Looks very cute from the right side and left side. Next I'm applying hot glue at the back of the flower in a line like that, and I'm gluing a ribbon center at the back there, securing that ribbon at the back. Next I'm applying hot glue on this felt fabric piece, and I'm gluing that felt fabric piece at the back of the flower like that, and my flower is finished. I made all of the flowers using the same sewing technique, and if you have any questions how I made these flowers, please comment down below in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. I'm Anita.